Hi, I'm Dr. Shalini. I'm from Bangalore. I've done my 2 years of fellowship in National Board from Milann Fertility Center. During this course, I had good training from Dr. Suchinda ma'am, Rubina ma'am, as well as Sandhya ma'am. So I was being trained for ultrasound courses as well as the fertility courses. They had given a good opportunity for the all hands-on pickups. So it was a good learning experience. I thank my all consultants. So I would recommend Milann Fertility Center for all students who are looking post MD or DGO to utilize this wonderful opportunity to get trained from this Milann Fertility Center. So thank you so much.